Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your RBC online banking account from your computer. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in www.rbcroyalbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official site of Royal Bank, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click on the sign in button, which will take you to the sign in area. In the first text box that appears on the display, type in your client card number or your username. Once you do that, if you'd like to save your client card or your username in this particular device, click on this little box beneath. But if you're using a public or a shared device, make sure to leave it unchecked for your security. In case you don't remember your username or your client card, click on Recover Your Username link at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts. If you're new to online banking for Royal Bank, you can click on Enroll in Online Banking link first and make sure to register by following the instructions. After you enter your information, click the Next button. On the next field, it'll ask you for your password. Go ahead and type in your password associated with your online banking account for RBC Bank. If you don't remember your password, you can click on Reset Your Password link and follow the instructions. Finally, after typing in your password, click the Sign In button and you'll be able to log in to your RBC online banking account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.